Alright, I thought I'd do a video. This is on one of our antique key machines in the shop that actually works and works fine. Just want to show you. It has a light built onto it. It is a wood base, but I think they came that way originally from the factory. If you see, the wiring goes down into there. It uses a cutter similar to a code cutter. I don't know if you can see that. And then the tracer is a double-sided tracer, and the reason why is this machine cuts forward and backwards, and the way it works is you just turn it on and you push this bar down there. As you can see, it goes down one side. It would trace the key one direction, and then it traces the key back to finish off, so it actually cuts the key twice, you know, in case there's any extra burrs. Turn the machine off. I'll show you. The mechanism's pretty cool, and I'll run it with the cover opened. And it's aluminum cover. I mean, this thing is just built pretty darn cool. If you're a key machine collector like me, you'll appreciate this. So it has a gear here with a worm gear that operates the cutter, and this one's really tight. It has oilers all the way over, all the way around everywhere there's oilers. I just put a couple drops of 3-in-1 oil in there, and here we'll start it up and show you how the mechanism works. You can see that gear drive. I want to push down on here. You see down in the bottom there's like a cog, and then it goes back the other direction. I mean, that's just cool. Now this machine is I'll turn off this light. There we go. The machine is model 1.5, whatever that means, and the serial number is E-963. So I imagine this was the 963rd one ever made, so there's quite a few of these out there. But this is a cool machine. I just thought I'd show it to you. And that cover just sits on there like that. Just like that. Anyways, it's just a unique machine. We almost rarely use it in the shop, but it does cut a good key. Normally we'll use the Silica Bravo. That's just a high-speed cutter. Alright, signing off.